The topic of today's video is StockX discount codes and how to get them. Now, yes, you can check for StockX discount codes on Google, but it's highly likely you're going to find codes that are either expired or just don't work at all. What you really want to do is make sure to actually sign up on StockX's website, as they'll send you promotional emails and occasionally discount codes. Next thing you want to do is sign up for Rakuten. Rakuten is a browser extension which either gives you cashbacks or occasionally discount codes. Those two are really the only main ways that I know of actually getting working discount codes. Oh, one last one. Make sure to follow StockX on Twitter, Instagram, whatever social media, as they also occasionally post discount codes on those social media platforms. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.